Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Time to find door number 13 and oh, you are straight in front of me. Well, that was just too easy. Let's open you up. Oh my goodness, it is tiny Andrea. Look, it's a mini Andrea. Oh, this is just too cute. I cannot wait to put you together. Let's open this up. I just can't wait to rip this open. Come on, come out. Yes, that is you. You're taking a look again and look at her little jammies. They got little snowflakes on there and look at her face and hair. Oh, I've been waiting for you. You're just too cute. Yes, let's put you side by side so we can see your face. And I'm going to do the switcheroo of your hair. I just couldn't help myself. Let's pop your hair on here and yeah, it looks alright on Micro Doll. But Andrea, you're rocking the buns. I like that look. Andrea, you need some buns, but we're gonna swap-a-rooney your hair back. There we go. And now we've got to put your little stocking together. I just love this dark pink colour, and there's your little present. We're going to get you to hold a little flower, and let's put a flower in your hair, Andrea. Looking good. Day 13 and we got Andrea. I'm super stoked. So one more Micro Doll and it's Mia to get hopefully soon. See you tomorrow.